In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and submit new samples on desktop. After you log in, you can go to the top level navigation under the Samples tab. You can scroll down to Sample Submission. Click that. This will bring you to the Sample Submission search page. On this page, you'll have the ability to submit a variety of different information for your sample, including companies, units, unit serial number, compartment description, compartment type, compartment serial number, compartment selection, site, compartment UIN number, and resample compartment only. For the compartment description, you can write whatever you'd like. You can fill out the compartment selection and resample compartment only fields with these toggle buttons, but the rest of these fields can be filled out by clicking on the magnify glass button. This will open up another tab where you can select one or more items that apply to this field. Make your selections and you can press Save Changes for each of these. Once you've completed all necessary fields, press the search button. You'll see a list of possible samples. Make your selection and then press Submit Samples. This will bring you to a page where you can add the unit age, the date sampled, component age. You can detail any sort of fluid change that may have occurred and a variety of other things. You can leave comments as well. Once you've recorded all necessary information, you can press Save Changes right here and your sample will be archived. And that's how you add a new sample on desktop.